Introduction: The Power of Language. Yo, what's up, fam? Imagine being the GOAT at English, but let's be real. You can't achieve that if you're constantly tripping over your words. Remember that one time you accidentally said, "I'm going to the library to get some books," instead of borrow? Cringe. Yeah, we've all been there. This is why nailing English is crucial, fam. It's not just about being grammatically correct. It's about being understood, being clear, and sounding confident. Common mispronounced words. Avoiding pronunciation pitfalls. There are some words that are total pronunciation traps. Like often, it's not often, it's often. And February, it's February, not February. You want to sound like a pro, not like you just woke up from a nap. Practice makes perfect, so hit up YouTube for some pronunciation guides, or record yourself and see where you need to step up your game. Grammar. The invisible rules of language. Grammar's the heart of English. It's like the foundation that holds everything together. Don't let subject-verb agreement slip through the cracks. Using a versus an can make your English sound off, like a vibe check gone wrong. You don't want to sound cringe in a conversation. Keep it simple, fam. Learn a few essential grammar rules and you'll be able to slay any conversation with confidence. Vocabulary, expanding your word power and using common phrases. You know how you vibe with someone who uses a wide range of words? It makes their language lit. That's the power of vocabulary. Don't just use synonyms. Spice up your vocabulary with unique words and phrases. You gotta know your lingo. Learn common phrases and idioms. It's like unlocking a secret code. Spill the tea on those English idioms and phrases. Use flashcards, read books, watch English movies. Level up your vocabulary game, my friend. Confidence in conversation. Putting it all together. Practice makes perfect is a real thing, my dude. Find a language partner, join a conversation group, or even hit up a native speaker. Own it, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the journey. Embrace the growth mindset and stay woke to learning and improving your English. You got this. Overcoming fear and building resilience. But let's talk about something real. Fear. The fear of making mistakes can hold you back, fam. It's like a weight on your shoulders that makes you hesitate. Here's the deal. Every expert was once a beginner. Remember, making mistakes is part of the learning process. Each error is just a stepping stone to improvement. So, when you mess up, just laugh it off and keep pushing forward. Engaging with the community. Learning together. One of the best ways to improve is to engage with others. Join online forums, social media groups, or local meetups where English is the main language. Surround yourself with people who are on the same journey. Ask questions, share experiences, and celebrate each other's progress. Learning with a community can make the process way more fun and less intimidating. Utilizing technology, language learning apps and resources. Don't forget about the tech at your fingertips. Language learning apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or even games like Wordle can make studying feel less like a chore and more like a challenge you're ready to tackle. YouTube is also filled with awesome channels dedicated to teaching English. Whether it's grammar tips, pronunciation guides, or cultural insights, there's a treasure trove of resources out there waiting for you. Setting realistic goals. Your roadmap to success. Set realistic goals for yourself. Maybe it's learning 5 new words a day or practicing speaking for 10 minutes every day. Celebrate those small wins. They add up. Keep a journal of your progress. Write down what you've learned, what you want to improve, and reflect on how far you've come. It's motivating to see your journey laid out in front of you. Conclusion: embrace the journey. So, fam, remember, mastering English is not just a destination, it's a journey. Embrace every step, every mistake, and every triumph along the way. Stay curious, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun with it. You're on your way to becoming a confident English speaker, and I can't wait to see you shine.